Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the device and app so mapping collects useful data. Turn on Wi-Fi and location. Make sure airplane mode is off. Open the mapping app, sign in, and choose survey or passive scan mode depending on your goals. Set the map scale and specify indoor floor or outdoor area so data aligns with geometry. Once done, walk to your starting point. Calibrate compass if prompted. These first steps ensure the rest of the mapping will be accurate and actionable. Now you collect the measurements that create the heat map. Walk along your planned routes at a steady pace and pause briefly at corners or decision points so the app records stable readings. Make sure the app logs SSID, BSID, channel, RSSI, and SNR. Those values explain coverage and interference. Place markers for access point locations and annotate obstacles like concrete walls or metal cabinets because they affect propagation. By doing this, you capture both raw numbers and context. Finish by turning raw scans into decisions you can act on. Generate signal strength and channel overlap heat maps, then export CSV or KML for sharing or deeper analysis. Compare measured RSSI and SNR against your performance targets and mark weak or noisy zones for remediation. If results seem inconsistent, recalibrate the compass, repeat the critical walk paths, and verify device Wi-Fi and location permissions. That troubleshooting step catches common errors and ensures your final map truly reflects on-site conditions.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.